At Eltex, we are proud to introduce two new products to our product portfolio. One being the EyETM. It's a tension monitor for multiple yarn applications. The advantage of our system is it's monitoring in real time all of the ends, instead of some systems in the past that just monitor the tension occasionally. We're monitoring continually. And if needed, the system can actually stop the machine if the tension deviates too far from the set points. At Eltex, we have been providing yarn break and end-out detection system for the tufting industry for many years. One limitation that we've had in the past is that our original compact version could not always fit on more modern machines that are graphics driven. But now we are pleased to introduce the Compact 2, which is much smaller physically in size than the original compact. With the Compact and now the Compact 2, we have the complete portfolio to offer all tufters, no matter what type of machine they have.